What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.052, down 5% on the day. Seeing market cap about 355 million. 24-hour volume 400 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses. You can check out my full length tutorial pinned in the description as well as the end of the video. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Gala Games. So we're seeing a little push to the upside. I think could be a stop loss grab. See Bitcoin pushing up here to grab the liquidity, stop out the shorts, and then potentially move back down. You could push up from here. It's possible. I would just be very cautious of a liquidity grab, of a stop loss hunt right now for BTC. So I think Gala Games has completed a 5-way move here. We also have this rising wedge, so potentially we may begin to pull back and potentially put in a wave 2. This is where I'll look to add more to my HODL position in between 0.020 and 0.029. If we do break down from here, we still have an opportunity to come down in a lower low, but of course Bitcoin would have to shit the bed. And Bitcoin is very close to breaking that invalidation point at 20.5K. It hasn't done it just yet. Actually, it did break above this high. This is the high it needed to break above, and it has wicked above it. So we could already say that that's been invalidated, looking at a 1-2, where we came down to wave 1, pulled back in a wave 2, because we've just wicked higher than that previous high. So, so if we do pull back, I'm looking for a wave 4 in between 18.6 and 20.1K. And I think that's potentially when you'll see Gala put in a wave 2 pullback with a minimum target of 0.034. Just be cautious because the bullish momentum has been really strong for Gala. So you may just see a shallow pullback if we do pull back from here. Bearish divergences, money is flowing out. I hope we see that pullback so I can add more to my HODL position, but it could just be shallow. If we just break out from here, always a possibility, then the 5-way move isn't complete, but we do have some signals here that we could potentially start to see that retracement. And even here on the daily, we have a bearish divergence, money is flowing out, and we're continually getting rejected. We're trying to push up, we're getting rejected on these daily candles. So it would be healthy to see some pullback. Nothing is promised in the crypto space, but I think the higher probability is we pull back in a wave 2 and then see continuation to the upside. But of course, we can continue to break out to the upside. Anything can happen in the crypto space. But the higher probability is we start to retrace, in my opinion. And of course, if we break above 0.72, and then this ending diagonal is invalidated, and we have to focus on the bottom being in. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Sign up to BitGet, grab those bonuses, check out my tutorial, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as signals can be very helpful in your trading journey. I also post news. Polygon had some good news. We completed their hard fork. Bitcoin is about to break a record here, and top 5 altcoins to add this week to your portfolio. One of them is Gala Games. So if you want news, updates, analysis, signals, see what I'm doing with my HODL all places. It's only 10 USD, the price of a Netflix subscription. You can sign up through the Patreon link. And that's it for this one. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.